Is your Subaru Ascent screen going black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistically, the vast majority of these glitches are simply caused by a worn-out data cable. Let's walk through the steps to get your connection back online. Start by forcing a head unit restart, then inspect your cable and phone port for debris. If that fails, delete the phone from your vehicle settings and ensure both your phone and car firmware are updated. Persistent black screens may indicate a failing USB hub module or a deeper issue within the head unit itself. Try the simple fixes first, but seek professional help if the hardware seems to be the root cause. Replacing a cable is cheap, but hardware replacements at the dealer can escalate quickly. Always test with a second phone to isolate if the problem is specific to your device settings. Keep a quality cable and a non-conductive pick in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the road. Don't ignore persistent electrical gremlins that could signal deeper system instability. If these steps didn't solve your black screen, contact your dealer to check for active software recalls.